We did it! Your loan has officially funded. And on behalf of everyone here at Excel Mortgage, congratulations! Whether this is your first home, your forever home, or a refinance that helps you reach your financial goals, or it could be the beginning of an exciting new construction project, today is something to celebrate. Thank you for trusting us to be a part of such an important milestone in your life. It's truly been our pleasure walking this journey with you. If you're purchasing a home, it's time to start making it your own and creating new memories. If you're refinancing, you can finally begin enjoying the benefits of the financing you've worked so hard to put in place. And if you're building a new home, this is the moment that you've been waiting for. Your financing is complete and you are ready to break ground and watch your vision become a reality. No matter what brought you to us, you've reached an incredible milestone and we could not be happier for you. There is nothing left for you to think about. Behind the scenes, there are a few administrative items that we will continue to monitor as the lender wraps up the final details of your loan. But for you though, today is all about celebrating. Our biggest hope is that you take a moment to enjoy all that you have accomplished. Buying, refinancing, or building a new home is a significant milestone, and we are honored that you chose us to guide you through that process. And remember, just because your loan is funded does not mean our relationship has to end here. If you ever have questions down the road, if you want to refinance again, or if you're simply not sure where to start, we're always just a phone call, text, or email away. Before we let you go, I have just a couple of favors to ask. First, if you had a great experience working with our team, we would truly appreciate a review. It helps other families find us, and it means more to us than you could possibly realize. Second, if you have friends, family, neighbors, co-workers that might be thinking about buying, refinancing, or building, we would be honored if you would send them our way. Referrals are one of the biggest compliments that we could ever receive. And finally, please keep us updated. We would love to see pictures of your new home, your project as it comes to light, or your family enjoying this exciting new chapter. These are the moments that we love what we do, and we need to congratulate you one final time for trusting Excel Mortgage, and welcome to the next chapter of your journey.